Imagine an ocean with rectangle fish. Imagine a strawberry sky. Imagine a walrus who grants every wish. Imagine a school that can fly. Imagine a bear in a bicycle tree. Imagine volcanoes that sing. Imagine a field with invisible grass. Imagine giraffes on a swing. Imagine a geyser that shoots lemonade. Imagine a chocolate balloon. Imagine a parakeet, puppy, and pig painting pies on a polka dot moon. Imagine a toy that you'd like to create. Imagine a character too. Imagine a word that your ears never heard. Imagine the things you can do. Okay, let's open our eyes. Wide awake? Okay, so how many of you imagined, saw in your mind a rectangle fish? Okay, some of you did. Very good. How many of you imagined a strawberry sky? That would smell delicious. How many of you imagined a walrus who grants every wish? So you can make a wish and your wish would be granted by a walrus. Sounds silly, but it's kind of a cool image in our imagination. And how many of you imagined a school that can fly? So you can be in a school and take field trips all around the world. Who would like to have a flying school? Who would like to go to a flying school? Okay, I definitely would too. One of my favorite parts of the poem, a bear in a bicycle tree. How many of you wish you had your own bicycle tree that grows bicycles? Okay, it might be hard to pick a bicycle out of a tree, but it would be fun to see. And my favorite part, a chocolate balloon. How many of you saw a chocolate balloon in your imagination? Oh, And how many of you who would save it and who would eat it? I would eat that balloon right away. Okay, I love chocolate, one of my favorite things. Okay, so your imagination is your most powerful tool. You can take anything out of your imagination and put it into the world. You could draw a picture, right? You could, be talking to a friend. Everything that you're saying, everything that you're doing, you're constantly putting things into the world. That's how powerful you are. And your imagination can just take anything and you can paint a picture. You can draw a picture. You can put that picture on a hat, put that picture on socks, put that picture on a shirt, right? That's how powerful you are. We all have the ability to do these wonderful things with our imagination.